So friends, are you looking to update your countertops? So it's undoubtedly a great way to give your kitchen a whole and new look and feel. So however, the question here is which material is best for the countertops in your kitchen? So one of the most popular choice is granite. In fact, granite is the number one most sought after item in any modern kitchens because being a natural stone, granite is one of the hardest materials in the world and adds a touch of sophistication and luxury to any kitchen. So if you are still unconvinced to purchase granite as the material of choice for your kitchen countertops, so you know the some benefits when it offers the beautiful benefits of countertop kitchen of granite. First one, it's resist chipping and scratching. One of the main reasons to choose granite countertops are they are durable enough to resist chipping and scratching under normal condition. Since granite is ranked the second hardest material known to be man, just behind the diamonds, it's important though to be cautioned when using extremely sharp cleavers and knives because they just might be sharp enough to mark granite. Therefore, always use a cutting board for dicing, chopping, or slicing. So, do you know granite countertops are so durable they will last nearly forever, provided by they are installed with the right granite countertop support brackets. Second advantage of a granite, it is highly affordable. Another reason why many homeowners are choosing a granite countertops is because they are highly affordable. Price typically range from 90 rupees square feet to it goes to around 400 per square feet. Depends upon the material and the designs and the quality of a granite. If you are tight on budget, so granite tiles may reduce the overall price of your countertop. Considering talking a professional to know exact cost of your project. Another advantage of the granite because it is heat, stain and moisture resistant. In addition to being resistant to chipping and scraping, granite will also resist moisture and stains with appropriate sealant. Since granite is a porous, sealing is essential to guard it against etching and staining by alkalines and acids. So keep in mind the sealant needs to be reapplied once a year to maintain the resistance. And most beautiful advantage of the granite, it adds the value to your kitchen. When it comes to increasing the value of your home, investing in the kitchen should be your number one consideration. This is because when you remodel your kitchen with the high quality features like granite countertops with hidden support brackets, you will not only be able to recoup your investment but also increase the value of kitchen and home in the process. As a result, your home may be bring you thousands of rupees more than you sell it. Another advantage it is each piece is a very unique. As each piece of granite is unique in characteristics and colors, it can easily refreshen or update the look and feel of any kitchen. So while you may come across several slabs of the similar color, they can vary in the darkness, lightness, patterns or winning. This means your granite countertops will match your kitchen decor and be the center of attention of your guest. So as you can see, granite countertops brings an array of benefits to your kitchen and will most likely outlast other materials in your home. Hence they are more of an investment rather than the cost. So if you are considering upgrading the countertops in your kitchen, look no further and choose the granite. Rest assured, you will not regret the decision which you have making. and it is also easy to maintain, like liquid and food spills must be removed away immediately with water and the mild detergent. If you allow spills to dry on the countertop, scratching them and gently using a plastic scraper should get the job done. Furthermore, since granite is formed by the heat and pressure, the countertops will also be the heat resistant, which means you can place hot pans and pots on the surface without worrying it. So if you allow food spills to dry on the granite, you may need to scrape them off gently with a plastic scraper. The professional who install your granite countertop will explain the type of sealant to apply yearly. So since granite is formed by the pressure and the heat, the countertop are also heat resistant, and you can even place hot pots and pans on the surface without worrying. So these are the 5 advantages of countertops. There you can see there are the beautiful granite countertops with different color shades, and it also comes with in different quality. So there you can see in this video there are the lots of color designs are available. So friends, don't forget to subscribe my channel, and if you like my videos, then sure please share my videos, like and share this video. And thank you once again. Thank you.